Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best GoPro Shorty is probably one of the most versatile and compact accessories you can get for your action camera, designed to enhance your filming experience whether you're hiking a mountain trail, capturing a thrilling sports moment, or simply documenting everyday adventures. This incredibly handy extension pole and mini tripod combo is engineered to provide greater stability and reach, allowing you to achieve those perfect shots that would otherwise be out of grasp, making it an indispensable tool for any GoPro user looking to elevate their content creation game. Number 5. GoPro Camera Shorty AF-TTM-001. Meet the GoPro Shorty, your perfect partner for spontaneous adventures and travel. This compact accessory is designed to go wherever you do. Need to capture a wider scene or a group selfie? Simply extend it up to 8.9 inches. It helps you get those hard-to-reach angles with ease. Looking for stability? Its integrated tripod feature allows you to set it up on any flat surface. Get steady shots every time, hands-free. Measuring just 4.6 inches, it fits effortlessly into your pocket or bag. It's always ready when inspiration strikes. From dynamic action shots to stunning landscapes, this versatile tool enhances your photography. It's the essential mount for capturing life's moments. What we like. If you need a compact and versatile mount for everyday adventures, this is it. It extends for selfies and group shots, and even has a tripod for stable shots. If you prioritize portability and convenience for travel and casual use, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect size and very functional. What I was looking for when I got out for some content that I can just leave the GoPro recording on in specific place. Easy to use as a tripod or a handheld extension. This is compact and held up great after a recent trip. Number 4. ULANZI MT16 Extendable Mini Tripod. Introducing the ULANZI MT16, an upgraded mini tripod designed for ultimate portability and versatility. It offers enhanced stability and expanded functionality compared to its predecessor. This extendable tripod is perfect for vlogging, easily transforming into a comfortable handle grip or selfie stick. Its mini and lightweight design makes it an essential accessory for content creators on the go. Featuring a 360 degrees rotatable ball head, it allows for perfect angles and vertical shooting. The integrated cold shoe mount is ideal for attaching microphones or LED lights, significantly improving your video quality. Weighing only 170 g and measuring 22.5 centimeters, this tripod is incredibly compact. It fits easily into any bag, making it your ideal companion for outdoor adventures and travel vlogs. With a standard 1/4 screw and a comfortable, anti-slip rubberized grip, it's compatible with a wide range of cameras and devices. Capture stunning shots with ease, no matter your setup. Please note that a phone holder is not included. For heavier camera setups, please refer to our specific models designed for higher weight capacities. What we like. For vloggers and content creators who need flexibility, this is a great option. It extends, offers full rotation for any angle, and even has a cold shoe for accessories like microphones. If you're looking to enhance your video quality with added audio or lighting, you should consider this. What people say. The extendable design and multiple height adjustments make it easy to adapt to different shooting scenarios. The 360-degree ball head moves smoothly and locks securely, allowing for quick framing changes. I also appreciate the cold shoe mount, which makes it convenient to add a microphone or small light. The 4-level extension is smooth and solid, so I can go from compact to tall in seconds without feeling like it's going to collapse mid-shot. The 360 degrees ball head is buttery, tilt, twist, spin, and it locks right where I want it. Bonus points for the cold shoe mount. Being able to pop a mic or light right on top is a game changer. It feels sturdy right out of the box. The grip is solid and does not slip. The material feels better than I expected. The adjustments are smooth and the ball head holds its position without drifting. It sets up quickly and holds steady. No issues with balance or slipping. Number 3. GoPro Handler Floating Hand Grip AF-HGM-003. Introducing the official hand grip for your camera. It's designed to keep your device afloat better than ever, so you can capture amazing shots in and around the water without any worries. Switching between different mounts is a breeze thanks to its quick release base. This makes it incredibly easy to adapt to any situation. Aiming your camera and capturing a variety of different angles has never been simpler. Get the perfect shot every time, from any perspective. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with its non-slip construction. You can hold onto it firmly, even when wet, ensuring it stays put. This accessory is perfect for all your favorite water sports, including surfing, kayaking, and wakeboarding. It provides the stability and security you need for action-packed adventures. For added peace of mind, a wrist strap lanyard is included. This ensures your device stays securely attached to you, even in the most demanding conditions. What we like. If you're an action sports enthusiast who loves water activities, this is a must-have. It keeps your camera afloat, ensuring you don't lose it in the water, and provides a secure grip. If you like surfing, kayaking, or any water-based adventure, you should consider this. What people say. This item has a sturdy lanyard and floats, even with camera attached. It is built to last. Tested in both chlorine pools and ocean salt water. Excellent design, the camera angle is just right for most situations and is appropriately adjustable. This flotation handle worked great. It fit securely and snugly, no rattling around or loose jiggle. It allowed me to extend the camera to get a bit closer to the subjects I was filming. I had no worries about dropping the camera to the bottom, because the handle would just float it to the top where the bright orange tip would make it easy to spot. Number 2. GoPro Travel Kit AKTTR-002. Capture every moment of your travels with this essential kit. It includes 2 versatile accessories designed to help you get the perfect shot, wherever you go. Get an amazing deal on these 2 must-have accessories. They are perfect for capturing all your adventures, from scenic hikes to city explorations. This mini extension pole and tripod extends up to 8.9 inches, making it easy to get wider shots or stable footage. You can even prop it up on any flat surface for hands-free recording. Easily attach your camera to backpack straps or gear with the convenient clip. Alternatively, use the built-in magnet to stick it securely to metal surfaces for unique perspectives. Everything comes neatly packed in a compact case that you can customize to fit your gear. Keep your accessories organized and protected on the go. This travel kit is designed to work seamlessly with all GoPro cameras. You can rely on it to enhance your filming experience, no matter which model you own. What we like. This kit is perfect for travelers who want essential mounting solutions. It bundles a versatile mini tripod extension pole with a clip that attaches to almost anything, all in a protective case. If you're looking for a convenient travel package with core accessories, you should consider this. What people say. The case is lightweight, roomy, and keeps everything I need in one spot. I was surprised at how much it can hold too. Batteries, charger, GoPro, stick, and a bunch more. It has a top handle and is easy to use. Very durable design with great internal organization. Everything fits beautifully inside. Nice, soft carrying case for your GoPros. It has a good-sized zipper pocket that holds extra accessories. It also comes with one long divider that folds in the middle and can be reshaped to change the separation configuration. Number 1. TELESIN Magnetic Mount Adapter for Action Cameras. Tired of fumbling with screws? Our magnetic buckle mount attaches and detaches in a flash. It's designed to save you precious time and effort. Simply bring the magnetic components close, and they snap into place. This innovative design makes mounting your camera incredibly easy. Despite its quick-release feature, the magnetic system ensures a secure and stable connection. Your camera stays put, no matter the activity. This adapter is perfect for a range of action cameras and accessories. It's designed to work seamlessly with popular brands and mounting systems. Whether you're using a selfie stick, backpack, helmet, or bike mount, this adapter provides a reliable connection. Capture your adventures from any angle. Spend less time setting up and more time capturing incredible footage. The quick magnetic system lets you focus on what matters most, your shots. What we like. For those who need to switch mounts rapidly, this magnetic adapter is a game changer. It allows for incredibly fast attachment and detachment of your camera. If you frequently change mounting locations or need to swap accessories quickly, you should consider this. What people say. Tight fit, felt secure, easy to engage and disengage. Easy on, easy off. No more twisting the thumb screw whenever I want to take my GoPro off whatever it's hooked to. This mount makes this a breeze and it's very secure when locked in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.